My name is Mariah Haight, and I did my project on the issue of water pollution in San Diego, California. San Diego is a large city in Southern California that is located along the Pacific coast and adjacent to the Mexican border. Water pollution in San Diego has increasingly become an environmental, political, economic, and social problem that persists today despite efforts to address the issue. Urban infrastructure and metropolitan activities involving roads, buildings, sidewalks, vehicles, and large industrial facilities contaminate urban water with garbage and harmful chemicals. Water pollution is particularly an issue in the Tijuana River, which flows from Mexico across the U.S. border and reaches the ocean at Imperial Beach in San Diego. Beaches along the coast have been closed multiple times due to extensive pollution, particularly after storms. Several schools and public facilities have also been adversely affected by poor water quality. As Richard Walker states in Chapter 5 of the Atlas of California, water and energy are the lifeblood of modern society, and when abused, they can significantly compromise the well-being of humans and the environment. The Water and Climate Geographic Lens can be used to reveal causes, patterns, and effects of water pollution in San Diego. For instance, measuring the damage inflicted on coral reef ecosystems in San Diego in relation to the amount of contaminated water flowing into the ocean from coastal pipes could reveal implications for the environmental impact of urban development, tourism, and military expansion. Additionally, using the demographic lens could be helpful in identifying man-land characteristics and social relationships that are linked to water pollution. For instance, one could analyze pollution at Imperial Beach to identify the recurring pattern in which human activity causes water quality issues at the beach, which may cause residents to become indirectly frustrated and angry at their own habits and lifestyles. To address the issue of water pollution, the city was awarded $31 million in grant money to improve water quality, decrease water consumption, restore local ecosystems, and more. The U.S. government has set up multiple treatment plants in San Diego as well as in Tijuana that filter sewage before releasing it into the ocean. However, in 2005, the state of California sued the federal government because water that flowed out of coastal pipes in Mexico still violated the Clean Water Act. This indicates that water regulations had not been persistently maintained. Water quality is also linked with other environmental issues within the regional context of Southern California. The Salton Sea, for instance, is a toxic body of water which severely pollutes and degrades air quality. The lake is known to release harmful gases such as hydrogen sulfide and other organic matter trapped beneath the water into the atmosphere, causing vile odors and toxic dust particles containing pesticides and metals. Similar to federal attempts to regulate water pollution in San Diego and Tijuana, the U.S. government has implemented various water filtration systems in the Salton Sea, but have failed to persistently monitor it. To address the issue of water pollution in San Diego on a deeper level, it would be most effective to target the source of pollution rather than merely fixing the symptoms of the problem. Developing a system to mitigate urban land pollution through strict waste management policies such as environmental taxes and cap-and-trade permits would be more effective than merely filtering contaminated sewage water before it reaches the ocean. As Walker emphasizes throughout the Atlas of California, in order to be effective, solutions to water pollution in San Diego must be constructed using a multitude of geographic lenses to identify the root cause of water pollution, initiate collaboration between the general public, corporate players, and political figures, and formulate solutions that are adaptable but also strictly enforced.